Welcome guys to the Real Spot, and it's Fabian, and today I've got myself one of these handheld game consoles, and I've been fascinated with them for ages, so I thought let me get one in and let's do an unboxing of it. It looks pretty fascinating, so let's go. Okay, packaging's really nice. That comes off nicely as well. Instructions manual there. Even protection padding, pretty thick as well for the device. And it looks like it's fully charged already. What else we got in here? So we got some sort of SD card that goes into a type A USB, and it's like a charging cable. Yeah, type C charging cable as well. So let's put that all aside and get to the main unit. There you go now. Yeah, let's take this up, and it looks like it's fully charged already. But I think that, to me, looks really, really nice. Really sturdy design as well. And if we flip it over to the back, you've got your R2 and L1 and L2s, R2s and R1 buttons as well. Really nice feel to them. Got your joypads as well, the joysticks, and also the classic old school directional buttons as well. And you got a nice array of the A, B, X and Y buttons as well. It looks like it's got a select, start, and it's all got pin on there as well. And on the side, that looks like it's where the SD card goes in there. That looks like some sort of reset button, and that looks like the power. So, as everyone likes to see, it's got like a protector on the screen. As I said, it's an IPS panel. So let's just take that off. If I can do that with my gloves, let's see. Yeah, I can. That's off. And the screen is pretty nice actually. Let's turn it on. Okay, and it's a k36 game console. Let's see what it does. Looks like it takes a while. Oh, not bad. Okay, let's go through the catalogue of what it has. So it's got a family computer, Nintendo, disk system, Game Boy, Super Famicom, Super Nintendo hacks, Virtual Boy, Nintendo 64, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Enhance, Pokemon Mini, Nintendo DS. My days, the list goes on and on. Some of these I don't even know. SG-1000, Sega, Master Systems. It's just got it. All the emulators on it. Genesis Systems, Game Over, Mega Drive, Sega 32X, Sega. Will it stop? Dreamcast. Some of these I grew up with, guys. Sharp, Neo Geo. That was a very expensive game console in its time, and the games were very expensive. But we're talking way back in the 80s there. PlayStation, PSP, PSP Minis. My days, the list goes on. Okay, so let me cut chase and give me 2 seconds and let me load up one of the games so you guys can get to see what it's like. Yeah, so I'll be back on a bounce. Okay, welcome back guys, and I've uploaded one of the games. So I think there's nothing better, is there, than Capcom. And I think if we go for a Capcom Street Fighter Player System 2, as it says, so let's just select that, and then if I go down the list, this is all of the Capcom catalog. There's loads here. There's just absolutely loads. Let me go down. Oh, it's gotta be Street Fighter Alpha 2. Let's go for that one. And let's hit list. But you know, for what it is, I think it's pretty good. considering that all SD card systems take a little while to load anyway. So let's see, it should follow in with an intro now. Let's have a look and see. Yep, there it comes. As I said, graphics are not that bad off of this IPS panel. Yeah, not bad at all. I'm well impressed with this. And the price for this on Temu was about £40 I managed to get it for. And then it went down to £30 as well. Just turn up the volume a bit. Yeah, and the speaker system on it's not bad as well for a little portable. I'm not going to embarrass myself here today bashing buttons in front of you guys. So look, just have a little look at the gameplay there. It does move like that in there. The only downside I'd say to this is that some of the older games come with a smaller screen because they weren't really designed for that size. Yeah, so the emulator can't go to the IPS panel size. But that's only one little drawback when you think of all of the hundreds of games that you've got on this system here. They haven't even said how many games are on here, but from what you can see from the catalogue, it's well worth it. Something to take on a little trip with you on a plane or on a beach or somewhere like that. And it hasn't been expensive, so you can take it on holiday. If you lose it, someone steals it, goes in the sand, at least you ain't going to moan that it was like something like a Nintendo Switch or one of the other handheld consoles out there that cost so much money. Yeah, but I think it's a good buy. And yeah, check it out on Temu. You should be able to get it for 30 or £20. Usually goes for 45. But yeah, mightily impressed. Let's bounce.